What's up? So I'm back on my 98 Sea-Doo GTX. I was getting some wiring done. So down here in the center connector here, you can see I tagged tan with orange, and that is for the coolant temperature gauge. And then the red one is, or pink, sorry, pink in this top one is for the fuel level. Can you see that? Let's get in there. Let's get, right, sorry. Top, pink, fuel level, orange and tan in the middle connector at the bottom. Orange and tan. Pink, fuel level. Come on, damn it. Let me get on the other side. Sorry, guys. Doing shit upside down. So top of the EPDM, pink wire in this connector is your fuel level sender. These two are your fuel, your coolant temperature sensor. So I was just testing this wire and it wasn't correct. And this wire, which is orange and tan, is your coolant temp. I also ordered a new oil level sensor, which is just on a dum-dum light, which is perfectly fine. Let me find my flashlight. Ah, flashlight, flashlight, flashlight. Did you go dead inside of here? What the fuck did I do with it? Let's turn my flashlight on my phone. Bing! So inside of here, you can see, right? So let's do this. See these wires? And then that's the new sending unit for this gauge. So come check it out. And then what I did is I took the oil tank out and used a 22 millimeter socket, and then I melted the hole into the oil tank. And then this is the oil level sensor, the new oil level sensor for the tank. So basically it's a power and ground, and the little flotation magnetic device breaks the circuit, which is pretty cool. Let me turn the music off before YouTube says something to me. Yeehaw, baby! It also has an LED light. So let's look at the components. This is what came in the bag. Indicator LED light, accessory kit, and fuel level sensor by Buyers. Killer stuff. Hydraulic oil low is what this is for, but we're not using it for that. We are using it for low oil tank. Low oil tank. So what did I do with the LED? Did I bring it over here? No. I was testing it over here. Oh, it's been a long day. I don't know where it went. Well, I lost the LED light, but I'll find it. So just like your flashing red light in your instrument cluster, this is just going to have a red LED light that's going to illuminate when your oil reserve tank is low, or your oil injector tank is low, sorry. So let's set it down and let's turn it on. And I got RPM wired too. Let's start it up. RPM, coolant, and fuel. Bam! What do you think of that shit? Well, where did I mess up on RPM? RPM is a gray wire single connector right here. So I grabbed that up here. I grabbed a bunch of wires, and your thing won't run without this gauge. So I'm going to put this in a bag, seal it, and tuck it up under here. Hopefully that's fine. Once I do the finished wire routing and all that shit, I'll bring you back and show you all that. Aha! So here's the LED light. I'm probably going to sync it somewhere in there, just like the original one. This way it illuminates almost like the factory. This thing is so badass. I'm so proud of myself. I figured it all out. Thanks for watching.